Hi, welcome back to Cedoh Kingdom. In this video, I will show you how to charge earbuds without case. This is a step-by-step tutorial showing you how to charge your earbuds without the original case. I have the original case here, but it's not working. The earbuds are okay, but it's not working. See, they are not charging. So in this video, I will show you how to charge them. So what you need in this video is just an old USB cable. If you check your earbuds, you'll see two terminals. There is a positive and a negative one. So to know the difference which one is positive and negative, you will need a multimeter. Just use it to show you how to check. So if you see a negative sign like this one, I'm holding the probes in an opposite way. So let's try it. So there is a negative sign, which shows that I'm holding them in an opposite way. So if you turn them, so there is no negative sign on the multimeter. So it shows that on your left side, this is positive and this is negative. Left is negative, right is positive. My old USB cable that I'm going to use, and when you strip, you'll get two wires inside this old USB cable. So let me make it more longer. So this is the positive one and this is the negative one. So let's strip the wires to get them open more, and I'm going just to show you how to charge those AirPods without the original charger. So I'm going to make them a bit short, so to hold the terminals well. So this side is positive side and the white side is the negative side. So we are supposed, so on the multimeter we saw that the positive side was the right side and the negative side was the left side. So I'm going to use a tape to hold them in position on the two terminals. Transparent tape for more visibility. When I'm holding them on the two terminals. So I think they are secured. So I have this. I've used it in most of my videos, how to charge AirPods. This is a motherboard from a different charging case. It was from AirPods, but it's a homemade. I just improvised it to suit my my charging. Secure the terminals on the earbud, so it's blinking because it's not connected. So let's say if when I connect it, it will charge. So if the LEDs are not showing blue or not turning on, it shows that the terminals are loose. So use your hands or your fingers just to hold the terminals and see the LEDs will turn on and the earbud is charging. This is just a simple tutorial. You can do it at home. You can charge your earbuds this simple way. You can secure the terminals with the more tape to make it secured so that you can let it charge for a meanwhile, but it's charging. Thank you for watching this video, considering subscribing to Cedoh Kingdom, and if you have any suggestions, any comments, just leave them in the comment section and I will get back to you. Thank you.